I came across an issue where I needed to run my local server in HTTPS in order to get a feature working. It's a blockchain wallet where only runs in HTTPS enabled environment. So that did not work for me for my HTTP local environment. This is a Strappy project I've set up just to show you how to run SSL in your local server. So for now, if you want to run this in your local, it won't work because it's not provided. There is no secure connection. So I came across a package that can help you do that, and that is Local SSL Proxy. I'm going to add that to the description below. So that is Local SSL Proxy, and that works fine for me. So you can try it out. It's owned by Cameron Hunter. So Cameron Hunter, thank you for this package. It works well and it does make sense. In order to get this running, you must have Node installed on your system. So if you don't have Node installed on your machine, you can't run this. I'm sorry about that, but you must have Node installed. When you install Node, NPM comes with it automatically. Then the next thing to do, the next step is to install it globally. -G means that you are installing globally. It means that whatever project you're working on, it's this local SSL proxy package is available to you if you install it globally. Or if you don't want it installed globally and you just want it to be managed on a project base, you can have run this npm I local SSL proxy. Means npm install local SSL proxy. You can put --dev as a flag so that it appears as a dev dependency. So if that works for you. So that being said, when you've installed it, all you need to do is to come to your package and just run this. So when you run that, wait for it to be done and you're all set up. So the next thing to now do is to run the service that starts the server. So here now it says local SSL proxy --source 9001 and target 9000. So what this means is that the source will be the new port that your SSL will be working in, right? The source will be the new port that your SSL will be working in, while the target will be the HTTP host, HTTP server that you were running before. So in my case, in this Strappy project, 1337 will be my port. My 1337 will be my target, while the source can be any port that I know is free on my machine. So currently 8888 is free on my machine. You can use any one, but I just decided to use 8888. It's free on my machine, so I'm going to use that. So let's get this running. Alright, so I am going to be targeting 1337 and 8888 is free on my machine. So you can use anything, like I said, and that would work. So I'm going to copy this and run it in my project. So let me just get this like this. Okay, now see it's started proxy. So now the new part where you can access whatever you are developing in your development server, you can access it from this new port. You see it is targeting this old one. So let me just run that. So don't worry, it's going to tell you that it's going to bring not secure and all that. Don't worry about that. It's going to work with any feature that needs SSL service in your local server. So this is going to work well. So the next, whatever is accessible here is accessible also here. So now that I have that installed, I can run my HTTPS in my local. So that is how to run your HTTPS service in a local server. Alright, so I'll see you later.